What we have here is an example of a survey using trace analysis. The trace is actually the measure of whatever dependent variable we have. The question before us today is, which chili sauce is the most popular? Is it chipotle? Is it habanero? Or is it salsa huichol? Well, we'd have to measure the dependent variable by the trace. In other words, how much of each sauce is left. And from that we would calculate how much of each sauce has been consumed by our guests. The independent variable in this case would be the 3 different types of hot sauce that we have. One of the problems of this design is a lot of confounding variables. The bottles aren't exactly the same. Indeed, El Pato is a famous brand, whereas very few people have heard of Huichol as a brand. Another problem might be that if you look carefully on one of the bottles, you can even see one of the price markings that's still on there. Now, we're assuming that all 3 bottles were full at the beginning and that they've been available to the guests who were eating the sauce at the same time. Perhaps one of the weakest factors with trace designs is we really don't have information about our subjects. We don't know how many there were. We don't know about the background variables. Did they come from Merida, where habanero is very popular, or did they come from Puebla, where chipotle is popular? Well, that could be an important factor determining what kind of sauce might be preferred. So these are some of the limitations of trace research.